Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download OneInch application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store in your device. Now, at the search bar, type in OneInch Wallet and click on Search button. Scroll down until you see this icon. Click on it and click on Install button. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or a passcode if it is your first time installing it. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now click on Open button to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. So that is how you can download OneInch Wallet application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.